Hi guys, so maybe not the best way to start the video. First of all, you can see my balance there, not in a pretty place. And secondly, you probably are not going to be happy with the sound. You might hear the computers on a fan in the background. Unfortunately, I forgot my microphone when I traveled, so I just had to make the video, but I don't have my microphone with me here, so I'm just using the laptop's own microphone in editing. So you'll probably just bear with me. So first thing you'll notice that yeah, definitely that's a good trade that I took this morning. It's the 24th of August, and I've been lately looking at trading the Asian session, as well as trying to incorporate the strategies that are used by great traders like Ref Wayne in South Africa, like Jason Noah, Josh Naidu, FBK, and all those guys, trying to uncover their secrets, what makes them tick. So this is an account that I've been growing since the beginning of the year, and I definitely don't encourage you to do what I'm doing here. I think I've grown the account a bit to a point where I think I can definitely take one or two losses before I start crying. So if you have an account with the amount that you are not going to be happy with if you lose it, I certainly don't encourage this kind of trading. However, what I understood with Asian session trading, because I've been looking at it a lot since when I wake up here in South Africa, it's usually during London session, and by that time I'm also doing other business. I'm also doing the other work that I do to express my creativity and stuff like that. So I've been lately also considering waking up early and looking at the Asian session. Now, where it comes in that I trade like Refway and FPK, Jasanoa, is the rules that they apply to their own trades, why they make so much money and most traders are not. So the first thing that I noticed, especially with the guys like Refway, is regards with trading capital. First of all, they start trading with enough capital in their trading accounts. They start with trading with enough capital in their accounts, and then from there you find that things become easier, because for them they don't need the market to move a long time before they start making money. They just need the market to move just a bit. You can see there I've taken some 30 lots, very risky stuff that I'm doing here. Again, I don't recommend that you do this. If this turns against me, probably cry a lot this week. But I've looked at GBP JPY, I've looked at USD JPY, I've looked at several yen pairs, because the yen, I believe, is the currency for the Asian session, and it seems like the yen is strong during this session. So every pair that I've looked at is against the yen. The yen is strong. That's why I jumped in on this opportunity. The moment I noticed those small candles forming, as well as what looked like momentum on CAD JPY, that's why I definitely decided to jump in. So I'm hoping that it can move a certain distance in my way so that I can close the trade. I'm not planning to hold these trades like for hours or anything like that, because as you can see, there is a zone that I've marked with my system there. So I don't want to hold this trade for more than an hour in case things turn against me. So that's what I noticed with guys like Refwayne as well. They just go in, they get out. They go in with their huge accounts and they grab a couple of pips, which is enough because they are trading with enough capital from the onset. then they grab whatever the market gives them and they get out. Unlike many of us who try to ride the market for a very long time and stuff, and sometimes you end up having the market turn against you. So the Asian session, by its nature, also I've noticed that it doesn't move much. It doesn't move much. So what you want to do if you're going to be trading the Asian session is definitely to just get in, find a point where you get your money, and then you leave. Don't try to hold trades for a very long time using entries in the Asian session. So I'm just seeing, waiting to see if we can get to a certain point, and then I can definitely start managing the trades. How I manage my trades, I've always explained it on this channel. You go in with a huge lot size, and then when the market has moved a certain way, then you definitely take some money off the table. It's important that you take some money off the table in case things turn against you. In case things turn against you, if anything then turns against you, at least that money that you took off the table is somewhat enough to cover the loss if the market turns against you. So it's important if you're going to manage your trades, especially in a situation like this where I'm trading agent session. I've been learning it. I've been watching a lot of videos, reading a lot of books about trading the agent session. I've also been looking at how guys like Greg Wayne and the other mentors actually trade. So I thought let me share with you this video as well. So yeah, I think maybe this is a point where I also ask you to subscribe, like the video, so that you definitely don't miss our future videos. Again, I'm not saying you should trade like I did here. You do not know how much my heart was beating here. It's my first time trading like this, but I've been meaning to do it. I got confident. I think I've enough capital in my account. I've been growing this particular account for some time, so I just had some confidence to do it like what Trefwayne would have done it. But definitely I will not recommend it for every day. I will not recommend it for every day. My heart is like wow. I cannot even believe myself that it worked. But yeah, from now on it's just a matter of just leaving the trades do what they do. Whether we're going to drop down to the zone there, if we do, then I can close my trades and call the Asian session over. Otherwise, if it turns against me, then I'll just close it. Hopefully, the money that I've banked is enough what to cover those any losses that might occur if it turns against me. So yeah, like the video, subscribe. There are links also in the description box below. Visit those links if you are looking to download anything for free on robots, indicators, books. See the links in the description box below. My broker, the broker that I use, if you want to know, if you want to check, the link is in the description box below as well. One of the best brokers in the world. Go ahead and sign up with them. With just $5, you always see me with my other micro accounts on this channel. I have other accounts, standard accounts like this one, which I definitely use for growing slowly. But yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up